Hello my dear future of country. In this video, there will be some questions of child development and pedagogy. There will be 4 options and we will also see the correct answer in that option. This session also very important and it is my second lecture on child development and pedagogy. And as you see this video, revision time. So let's get started. First question on your screen, you can see which one of the following statements is true about ability and ability grouping. 1. Children are tolerant and do not accept differences. Second, teachers may use multi-level teaching to cater to different ability groups. Third, students learn better in homogeneous groups. And fourth, for smooth and effective teaching, class should be homogeneous. What would be the answer? Let's see. Option number 2 is the appropriate answer. Why we choose the option 2? Can you tell? Do you know very well? Students enter the classroom with vastly different abilities and readiness level learning. This is the reason why multi-level teaching is a necessity in any classroom. In multi-level teaching, teachers use multi-level of teaching approach to meet the needs of variety of a learner. So that's why this second number is the appropriate option of this question. Next question on your screen. Which one of the following statements is true? Right? So what? First, the major objective of the formative assessment is to grade the achievement of the student. Second, the formative assessment summarizes the development of learners during a time interval. Third, the formative assessment can sometimes be summative assessment and vice versa. Fourth, the summative assessment implies that assessment is a continuous and integral part of learning. So what would be the answer? Third is the appropriate answer of this question. The formative assessment can sometimes be summative assessment and vice versa. Let me tell something about it. In a balanced assessment system, both summative and formative assessment are integral part of information gathering. The formative assessment can sometimes be summative assessment and vice versa. Right? Information gathering. So, next question on your screen you can see. A teacher asks his or her students to draw a concept map to reflect their comprehension of a topic. He or she is testing the ability of a student to summarize the main points, trying to develop rubrics to evaluate the achievement of the students. Third, jogging the memory of the student. And fourth, conducting formative assessment. So what would be the answer of this question? Can you think? Let's check our answer. What would be the answer of this question? Oh, conducting formative assessment is the appropriate answer of this question. Why? Formative assessment refers to frequent interactive assessment of student progress and understanding to identify learning needs. So that's why formative assessment is most important in this level to check the comprehension of a topic. That's also. Next question on your screen you can see 4. Which one of the following represents the domain evaluating in Bloom's revised taxonomy? The first, evaluating the patience of the data provided, formulating a new way for categorizing objects, creating a graph or chart using the data, and fourth, judging the logical consistency of a solution. What would be the answer of this question? Fourth is the appropriate answer of this question, judging the logical consistency of a solution. Why we have choose this one? According to the Benjamin Bloom, there are 6 levels of the cognition: knowledge, comprehension, applications, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So, evaluation is a judging or forming an opinion about the information or situation. So, next question on your screen, you can see teachers must believe in which of the following values in the context of dealing with disadvantaged learners. 1. No demands of any sort on the students for immediate compliance of student use of being shocked and angry. Third, personal accountability for students' success. And fourth, high expectations of appropriate behavior. So what would be the answer? Let's see. The third is the appropriate answer of this question. Personal accountability for student. Why we have choose this one? Let me tell 2 or 3 lines about it. You know very well. What? Some section of the population are socially and educationally backward. You know very well. Due to socio-culture and economic reasons, girls children from weaker section of society, SC or ST, backward minorities and disabled children are educationally disadvantaged. So teachers must believe personal accountability for students' success. That's why this option is correct. Next question on your screen, you can see a stuttering problems in a student can be dealt by applying which of the following methods? Grammatic speech. Second, protracted speech. Third, dictated speech. Fourth, prolonged speech. What would be the answer? The fourth option. And what is that? Prolonged speech. So, this is the appropriate answer of this question. Stuttering is defined as any disturbance in the flow and time patterning of speech. The prolonged speech is the most effective approach for fluent shaping treatment. For shaping, prolonged speech is best. So next question on your screen you can see 7th question. In the context of learning disabled children, providing immediate connection, stressing collaboration and leveraging on non-learning technologies such as instant messaging, intelligent search and content management are associated with which of the following design? So let's see option. Reply to remediation. Second, universal design for learning. Third, embedded learning. And fourth, interventionist learning. So what would be the answer of this question? Let's see. Third is the appropriate answer of this question. Embedded learning. You know, embedded learning opportunities involve systematic instructions that is incorporated into the natural learning environment. Instructional procedure, natural learning, instructional procedure teacher can use to implement. Embedded learning opportunity include curriculum modification, naturalistic instructional procedures, promoting and feeding, and feedback strategies. So, embedded learning is appropriate for this question. The next question on your screen you can see, an inclusive classroom is what where 1. There is an active involvement of children in solving as many problems as possible. Teacher create diverse and meaningful learning experiences for every learner. Third, assessments are repeated till the time every learner achieves minimum grades. And fourth, teachers teach from only prescribed book to lessen the burden of students. What would be the answer? Let's see, check. Second is the appropriate answer of this question. Teachers create diverse and meaningful ex learning experiences for every learner. So what do you think for that? Dear learners, dear future of country, as an approach, inclusive education 6 to 6 sex to sex, can you say, to address the learning needs of all children with a special focus on those who are vulnerable to mar marginalization and exclusion. Again, I am repeating this word. Uh, the learning needs of all children with a special focus on those who are vulnerable to marginalization and exclusion. It implies all learners with or without disabilities being able to learn together through access to common preschool provisions. School, schools and community educational setting with an appropriate network of support services. That's why second is the appropriate answer of inclusive classroom. The next question on your screen. Which one of the following is an appropriate assignment for a gifted student? First, create a prototype of a new science book based on different themes, letting him or her finish the textbook on his or her on before the entire class. Third, many more exercises of the same type in comparison to other students. Fourth, asking him or her to tutor to peers to channelize the energy and keep him or her busy. So what would be the answer of this question? Let's see. First is the appropriate answer of this question. Create a prototype of a new science book based on different themes. Why we have choose this option? Let's listen. Dear learner, dear future of country, you are very familiar about it, right? So, what can we say about it? Very easy. Intellectually gifted children are those who have scored very high on a standardized list and usually excel in school. They are frequently very high skilled verbally and have outstanding memories and literacy ability. So to create a prototype of a new science book will be an appropriate assignments for a gifted student. So it is the correct answer. Correct answer is 1. Create a prototype of a new science book based on different themes. Next question on your screen. Many measures have been taken at institutional level to check the dropout cases in the school run by government agencies. Which the following is an institutional reason for children dropping out of this school? So first option, teachers have not been sensitized about the need of treating children well. Second, there is no alternative curriculum for children who rejected the compulsory curriculum offered. Third, there is a lack of infrastructure such as blackboards and toilets. Fourth, teachers are not having appropriate qualification and are paid lesser salaries or lesser salaries, whatever you pronounce. Answer would be what? 3. There is a lack of infrastructure such as blackboards and toilets. You know very well. Lack of differentiation in education may be an institutional reason for children dropping out of this school. Differentiated instructions should be based upon the student readiness, interest, or learning style. So I have chosen this option. My dear future of country, that's it for today. We will meet in next video and trying to make you understand, and I also try to provide you the facts and the actual question will ask in CTET exam, TET exam, whatever that. Because all the teacher eligibility tests, child development and pedagogy questions are same. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching, my dear future of country. Have a nice day to all of you.